Hello pretty ladies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video you can help your skin and how you can get rid of the unwanted acne on your face and how you can get rid of the stubborn knuckles and in any area that you know that you don't want any dark, or if anything is bother you in your skin, any area, how you can just get rid of the any that you take notice there's a acne or there's a spot, and this remedy will help you to light up all the darkness and all the darkness that you don't want on your skin. So I'm going to bring you along to my kitchen as usual, and I'll show you how I used to prepare it. I hope this will work for you. Before applying it, make sure you wash your face with lukewarm water. Make sure you clean your face and dry it and apply it. It will uproot all the unwanted pimples. It will remove all the pimples, all the blackhead and everything. Is really worth of video. If you like this type of video, press the subscribe button, notification button. Should be in case if I upload any of my video or any home remedy that will be useful for you, you will be the first person to be notified. But if you don't subscribe to my channel, you might miss some of my video. You might never find my video again on YouTube. But if you press the subscribe button, so which means we are born together, we grow the channel together. Whatever I'm using, I'll be showing it to YouTube. I hope it will work for you. I'm using rose water. I chose botanic toner with rose water. The rose water is optional. You can use rose water or you can use warm milk. I chose to use rose water because I have a sensitive skin, and this particular rose water is good for reddish. And if you're a type of person that you have a sensitive skin, maybe this will be okay for you, because I have a sensitive skin and this is really okay for me. We need gelatin, unflavored gelatin. We need rice powder. This is the amount that will be suited for my face. Vitamin E capsule or one, it depends. This one, they are very small. Vitamin E is often used to promote smooth, hydrated skin. Vitamin E oil daily to smooth your skin and keep it looking healthy and young. So we need teaspoon of gelatin. We also need teaspoon of rice flour. We need 2 vitamin E capsule. I'm going to be using knife because they are very small. You can use scissors, but I don't know where I kept my scissors. I'm going to be using knife. I'll show you. When you are doing this part, please friends, be careful. Boy, my nails is very long. Just be careful when you are doing this part. Now that should be fine. Use everything. So that's it. I'm going to use this to stirring it together. Always use this brush for my face, for turmeric face mask, gelatin face mask, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to be using the bottom. So we need water. So I think you need, it depends, you want to be, let's start from the tip, teaspoon 1. We start from 2 teaspoons first. So we really want it not to be too watery. So you keep applying until you get the textures you want. We want not too watery. So we shall see. So you keep stirring it together until it gets to smooth like butter. Keep mix them together, and as you can see, it's still thick. I think we need more water until we get to that stage. Now as you can see, love, that is still thick. This is still thick. You mix it together, you keep stirring it until you get the consistency you want. This is very thick. We need to apply more water. Now as you can see, it's that we really need for the face mask. We need hot water. You have to be very careful. We are going to place this inside this hot water. Microwave it for 5 minutes, but I prefer using hot water. So going to stirring it together, and you really have to be careful, my love. The water is very hot. So as you guys, you can see, it's thicker and it's very hot. You guys, you have to be careful before applying it. You want the gelatin to cool down for at least for 5 minutes. So as you guys, you can see, you can also use microwave, or you can use the hot water. Like I say, how we are going to be applied thoroughly with clean warm water and towel. So I'm going to show you how we are going to be applying it to our skin. It's cold now after 5 minutes, so I start applying it. And believe me guys, when you are trying to remove this from your skin, is painful. White hair, oily skin, facial hair. So if you are type of person, if you are ready to remove the hair from your face, I think this method will really help you. It will remove all the hair from the roots and dry for at least maximum 5 minutes. I will be right back. So this is it after 5 minutes, guys. This gelatin hair mask helps the oil, pimples, and so on and so forth, just whiter and whiter for you. I hope this will help you. Believe me guys, if because I have hair is so guys, as you can see my hand, and really love it, does what it, friend. You really worth it. If you apply it to your face, any area that you don't want hair, or any area that you really want to light, and this really helps. So I don't really leave it to dry. If you want to do it, make sure that you can see guys the way it's pulling up my hair. You can see I'm very hairy woman, and you can see it yourself. It's really pulling. Can see the way it's pulling out all my hair already. So if you apply it into the skin, I could imagine that, and this help. I hope this will help you, and it will leave your skin smooth and lovely.